The Anton Joling Bridge, Bridge 20, is a fixed bridge in Amsterdam-Center. Bridge. The bridge connects the Oude Leliestraat and the northern quay of the Lely Gracht. It spans the Herengracht. The bridge forms a unity with Bridge 21. A bridge has been here for centuries. Balthasar Florisz. Van Berckenrode depicted the bridge as an arch bridge with 5 passages in the Lely Graft over the Heere Graft on his map from 1625. The modern history of the bridge began in 1886. Due to decreasing ship traffic and increasing traffic over the bridge, the municipality of Amsterdam explored whether the bridge could be simultaneously lowered and widened. The municipality was dealing with a tight budget, and extra funds were not readily available. If the bridge is to be both lowered and widened, then the funds could not go to other bridges that might need those adjustments more urgently. The lowering and widening were initiated, and in July 1886, temporary bridges were laid, and the demolition of the superstructure was underway. At the same time, Bridge 21 was also lowered and widened. The project was completed in early 1887. The bridge largely continued unchanged through life. In 1962, the bridge deck was renewed in consultation with bridge architect Dirk Sterrenberg. On October 10, 1995, the bridge was designated a municipal monument. The bridge is surrounded by municipal and national monuments. In 2016-2017, the bridge was named after architect Anton J. Joling at the request of the foundation managing his legacy. Anton Joling, full name Antonius Jacobus Joling, was a Dutch architect born on March 25, 1857 in Zevenaar and passed away on January 4, 1934 in Amsterdam. He was the son of a watchmaker, Antonius Joling, and Theodora Antonia van de Paverde, and later married Adriana Henrika Schweep. Joling was a significant figure in Dutch architecture, known for his contributions to the landscape of Amsterdam. Among his notable works is the design of several large buildings in Amsterdam, including the retail building for Peek and Cloppenburg between 1914 and 1917. His education and career were notably influenced by P.J.H. Cuypers, a prominent Dutch architect known for his neo-Gothic designs, under whom Joling studied. This mentorship is reflected in Joling's work, which often blended Cuypers' neo-Gothic style with his own architectural vision. One of his early professional experiences was overseeing the construction of the Dominicus Church in Superstructure, Amsterdam, from 1884 to 1886 on behalf of Cuypers. Joling's architectural legacy is also commemorated through infrastructure, such as the Anton Joling Bridge in Amsterdam, a testament to his enduring impact on Dutch architectural heritage and the urban environment.